Hi everyone. So today we're going to use our listening ears. I'm going to play the sounds of different animals and we'll see if you can guess which animal made that sound. I'll play each sound twice so you have a chance to listen, think about it, and then make your guess. Ready? Here's the first one. And again. Did you guess a cow? Here's the next one. One more time. Did you guess a pig? Here's the next one. And again. Did you guess a rooster? Here's the next one. And again. Did you guess a dog? Here's the next one. One more time. Did you guess a cat? Here's the next one. Ooh, one more time. Did you guess a tiger? Here's the next one. And again. Ooh, that was a short one. Let's see. Did you guess an elephant? Got two more to go. Next is, oh, that's very short. One more time. And one more time. Did you guess a parrot? And our last one today is and one more time. Did you guess a chimpanzee?